literally, y'all saw how quick that was. And I'm telling y'all, I put mine in the microwave for 1 minute because ain't nobody got time to be soaking no cashews for 24 hours. Hey everyone, it's Pearlynsia, the Southern Style Vegan, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick and easy pantry staple, or I should say kitchen staple, that I think all vegans should have, or if you're looking for it, it's really 2 ingredients. Today we're going to be making a heavy cream, and we're going to make it with cashews. I don't know any other way to make a heavy cream that's going to garner the same taste of like regular heavy cream. The ingredients is 2 simple ingredients: softened cashews and water. That's it. And you can play with your heavy cream from there. But when you buy heavy cream out of the store, when you were not vegan or whatever the case may be, heavy cream doesn't have necessarily a flavor. It just has that creaminess. And I think cashews are the best option to garner that same result when it comes to pastas and when you're making those pasta sauces and all that good stuff. But this is a kitchen staple. I don't want to make it too long, and it's very simple. Now, how quickly you make this is really dependent upon you. There are several ways to soften your cashews. And these cashews I have here, they are softened, and various ways. You can soak these overnight in water. You can boil them for 10 minutes and let them sit and then drain them. Or you can nuke them in the microwave for 1 minute, still in water, same thing. Put these in a bowl just like this, a microwave safe dish. Cashews, water, microwave it for 1 minute. It will soften them up very quickly, and you drain that microwave water, and then you get you some fresh spring water, distilled water, tap water, whatever it is that you use. I don't really want to get too technical about what in particular it is you should use. Just use what you have. Me, I don't have the patience to soak cashews overnight. I don't really care about using the microwave. If you don't have a microwave, or you care about the radiation of the microwave, boil them for 10 minutes, okay? And just drain the water and put some fresh water. But let's get started. So it could take you 24 hours to make this. It could take you 10 minutes to make this, or it could take you less than 5 minutes to make it. Your choice. First thing one thing that you're really gonna need that's really important is a high-powered blender. I believe that when you start investing in your health, you'll want the best equipment to be able to get the food done. I got this high-powered blender on Groupon, actually, and because I wasn't quite sure if it was really going to work well, so I got it. I found a vendor who was going to allow me to return it if I did not like it. I tried Ninjas. I know people like the Blend Tech. I just specifically like the Vitamix's blend. The test for me, the litmus test for me to know that this was the blender for me, was simply because of how well it blended up the nuts. And when you blend up softened nuts to the point where I don't have to strain anything, or when I made milks, plant-based milks, I don't ever have to strain anything. So, nonetheless, let's get started. You're going to take your high-speed blender or a high-powered blender. You're going to place your cashews in the blender. Place your water. So this is 1 cup cashews, 1.5 cups of water. When you're making cream, you don't want to have as much water. So you just put kind of a 1/2 cup more of whatever the measure, or half more of whatever it is your measurement is. So if you did 1/2 cup, you're going to want 1 cup of water. It's just that simple. Okay. Put it on top of the blender, and we're going to blend this for 30 seconds, 1 minute max. With a high-speed blender, I will tell you that if you are a person who likes to eat raw, you will have to blend this on a lower speed. I have mine on high. I don't want a variable speed. I want it as high as it possibly can go. So I flip it here on high. As you can see right here, I flip it on high, and I'm turning it up to the max because I'm going to be using this cashew cream. I'm going to be cooking it. It's not going to be raw. But if you're a raw eater, flip it down on variable, turn it down a little bit so it won't get too hot, and then proceed to blend. It may take a little bit longer than the process that I'm about to do because I'm a speed cooker and we just need to get to it. So I'm flipping it back on high and then I'm going to blend this for like 1 minute. Okay, let's check on it. Oh, perfection. I mean, I'm gonna just show you all. Let me move this out of the way, y'all. Move this out of the way. I'm gonna slide this up here. I'm gonna show you just how nice this really is. Look at that. Heavy cream. And one thing that you have to be aware of is with cashews, I don't mind my heavy cream a little bit thinner than probably what you would see when people pick it up with a spoon and it's just so, it's stuck to the spoon kind of like mayo. Because with heavy cream, once you sit it in the refrigerator, well, with cashew heavy cream, let me be clear. Once you sit it in the refrigerator, it's going to continue to thicken up a little bit more. It won't be like when you get a spoon. And sometimes, depending on how little water that you put, when you put it with the spoon, you pick it up and you're like, oh my gosh, this looks like sour cream or something like that. So that's just something to be aware of when you are making your stuff. And with heavy cashew cream, like when you cook it, it thickens up very quickly. Heat makes it very, very thick. So I don't mind mine being a little thin because I'm going to thin it out even more. But you can use this just like you would heavy cream and anything else. For me, I always use heavy cream when I'm making creamy pastas such as Alfredos, or you just want to make a plain creamy pasta, maybe with like a tomato cream pasta. I know that's like a thing. So whatever area that you use heavy cream, you can use cashew heavy cream. Because if you are allergic to nuts, I haven't really figured out a solution for you on that one yet. But if you know any options for people who are allergic to nuts, for them to still get that heavy cream, just let me know. But that's it, y'all. So this is a quick and easy recipe. You don't have to go out and buy any store-bought heavy creams. I know there are brands such as like Ripple. I think I've used that before, but for me, because I keep cashews in my house, it's not that big. It's like literally, y'all saw how quick that was. And I'm telling y'all, I put mine in the microwave for 1 minute because ain't nobody got time to be soaking no cashews for 24 hours. I'm just not going to be doing it. Not on today, okay? So I got enough things to be taken care of than to be worrying about fat. But until next time, what I want you all to do is to subscribe, click the notification button, comment, like, share, make this recipe, tell me what you think about it, and yeah, go check out southernstylevegan.com. See you later.